I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Kia Sportage headlights. First, park your Sportage on a level surface about 25 feet from a wall. Make sure the vehicle is empty, with no extra weight inside. Turn on your low beams and mark the horizontal center of each headlight beam on the wall. This initial setup is crucial for accurate adjustments. Now, open the hood of your Kia Sportage. You'll need to locate the adjustment screws for each headlight. Typically, there are 2 screws per headlight, one for vertical adjustment and one for horizontal. They are usually found on the top or back of the headlight housing. Sometimes, a small cover might need to be removed to access them. With your screwdriver, you can now begin adjusting. Turning the vertical adjustment screw will move the headlight beam up or down. The horizontal screw will shift the beam left or right. Make small, incremental turns, checking the beam pattern on the wall after each adjustment. Aim for the beam to be just below your marked lines. After adjusting, take your Sportage for a test drive, especially at night, to ensure the headlights are properly aimed and provide clear visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Fine-tune as needed. Remember, proper headlight alignment is crucial for safety. Also, for those looking to improve their financial outlook, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.